which I was also with this pullback, I was expecting buyers to hold this level, but unfortunately they failed, right? Buyers failed. So as for as for BTC USD, the buyers has changed already. You know, before it was bullish, now we already broke that previous low. We're currently bearish on BTC USD. So that was actually what I called out last week, which was yesterday on Saturday. Was it on Saturday or on Sunday? On Sunday, yeah, on Sunday. I called it out on Sunday. I did a breakdown in my previous video. So if you also want to check how I broke down BTC USD, GBP USD, and gold, make sure you check my previous video. So on last week, I said that this level was going to hold our support. Like we were going to be bullish. We were bullish, right? So I said this level was going to hold our support and give us a buy, targeting this previous level right here. But unfortunately, we were not able to. Buyers were not able to push back to this level, right? So which is normal for price action, which is normal for the market to do, right? So right now our previous low is broken, right? So seller just broke this previous low, which I was also with this pullback, I was expecting buyers to hold this level, but unfortunately they failed, right? Buyers failed to hold that level. They allowed sellers to break that previous low, which is the previous low right here. So meaning sellers are not in control of the market. And don't forget, this is the 4-hour time frame. This is the higher it's a higher time frame, so which means these moves you're seeing right now, they are very significant. You understand? So meaning this level, they are strong levels. So whenever sellers get to break these levels, this level, it means sellers are really strong on that trend. You understand? So right now I'm predicting a pullback. So definitely I think sellers are still going to drop a little bit, but we'll be expecting a pullback into this zone. By we'll also be looking out for this previous high right here not to be taken out. So this previous high not to be taken out, then for sellers to continue with the bullish trend, targeting this level or this level, right? So that will be it for BTC USD. So for GBP, for gold, as you can see, for gold we already have that pullback already. You understand? We already have that pullback. So as for gold, this was the same thing I predicted last week, which was on Sunday. I called it out on my previous video. So make sure you check my previous video if you want to see the breakdown. Do well to check my previous video. So I said gold is bullish, right? So unfortunately, gold also failed to hit this high. Now we're having a pullback. Now we do not know, right, if buyers are going to hold this level. But if we see a shift in structure, that means it is safe to enter that trade, right? Targeting this previous high. But you know how gold moves now. I don't trust this guy. I don't trust this gold. So make sure you trade carefully. This is not a financial advice. Trading is very risky, right? So make sure you trade responsibly. So we'll be expecting buyers to hold this level, targeting this previous high. If you break this previous high, then we'll be targeting this overall high right here. So whatever gold is doing right now is just to pull back. So this is now a game of probability. All you have to do is just wait for the price action, right? That's all you have to do. Wait for the price action. As long as sellers are not taking out this previous low, then it means buyers still don't want to continue this. They are still holding that trend. They still want to continue with the trend. So that's for it for gold. So let's go to GBP USD. So GBP USD, if you also check my previous video, I said there's going to be a pullback in the market. We're bearish actually. So I said there's going to be a pullback in the market, which is this pullback that happened. So I don't know yet if sellers are still going to pull back or they are just going to continue with the trend. But with the way I'm seeing this right now, it seems sellers already reacted based off this previous resistance right there, as you can see. So we had a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. Then this might just be a lower low, but all we still have to do is just wait for price action, to give us direction. Then for us to know the next move, for us to know what's up, right? That'll be for the breakdown, guys. Right now this is 7:40 in the morning, almost 8 a.m. So I'm going to go see my mom at the hospital because my mom is not feeling too well. So I'm going to go see her at the hospital. Let's go. So guys, if you want to trade with my broker, one of the best in the game, Access Market, make sure you use the link on my bio. I'm also going to be pinning the link on the comment section, so make sure you check it out. It's one of the best in the game right now. You get 50% on your $500 deposit upwards. So you get 50%, meaning if you deposit $500, you're going to be getting a $500 extra bonus. You understand? You get me? So make sure you use the link in the bio. And also, why am I laughing? And also, if you want to trade with the prop firm, it's a Naira prop firm account. It's a Naira capital. So make sure you use the link in the bio as well. It is very cheap. You can get an account as low as 5,500. So make sure you use the link in the bio. Thank you. Let's go. If you don't understand anything about my breakdown or whatever I've showed on the chat, make sure you type a question on the comment section. I'm going to be answering you guys. So that's it. Let's go, bro. Like, share, and subscribe. That's the hospital that I'm going to right there. That building. See? The one with the solar system, solar panels at the roof. Good morning. Hello? So like I said this morning, I said BTC is going to be pulling back, which is actually happening right now. You know, buyers are pushing price upwards. You're having a pullback into this zone. So whatever buyers are going to be doing at that level, we do not want to see this high. We do not want to see this high taking out. Remember, that's the plan for this trade. We do not want to see this high taking out. So this pullback that is happening right now, let me go to the smaller time frame so that you guys will see. So as you can see, this is pulling back right now. Right here, pulling back. So whatever is going to be happening with BTC, we do not want to see buyers break this high. So we just want sellers to hold this level. Whatever they are going to hold, I don't know, but definitely they are going to be holding this level as it. Yeah. So whatever buyers are going to be doing with this pullback, that pullback shouldn't break this high. So that's what we're looking for. Remember, that was what I said in the morning. I said BTC was going to pull back and later sell. So all we're waiting for right now is that confirmation to sell. Then let's go to XAUUSD. So XAUUSD, I said buyers are going to hold this level as a support, right? Which is what is happening right now. You can see. Which is what is happening right now, as you can see. So all you have to wait for is for that shift in order to take this trade. Now you see this week. A lot of people might have entered this trade impulsively. You see this week right here. See this week. It's going to stop a lot of people out. That week is going. That's the liquidity grab that SMC traders do talk about. So you see that week right here is going to take a lot of people out this week. It's going to take a lot of people out. Then continue going that direction. So as for gold, you can see we are the perfect way to enter this trade just to wait for the break of this high before you take the trade. But the shift has already happened, because if you go to the 4-hour time frame right now, you can see that bullish candle. You can see the rejection of the first candle. So this rejection you're seeing, you can see the first rejection, right? With that bearish candle, you can see the second rejection with that bullish candle. So that rejection you're seeing right now, it means buyers are trying to push price upwards. You understand? So it means buyers are active. So what we're going to do now, this current candle. All right. This current candle that is opening right now. You see the way the candle opened with. Let me put my phone. I might put on do not disturb. So you see this current candle, this current 4-hour candle right now. You see the way that candle opened. Can you see? See the way that candle opened. So you see the tiny wick at the top. So it's not really that there's no rejection from the top, but you can see right now that the candle is rejecting from the downside. So it means this candle might end up being a bullish candle at the end of the day. So all we have to do is just wait, for gold to do whatever it wants to do. So that's it for gold. For BTC, for GBP USD,
For GBP USD is still playing around, man. Nothing is happening. So all you have to do is just stay away and watch. That's all. But as for BTC, we are still waiting for that sell confirmation. That's all for BTC. Still waiting for that sell confirmation. For gold, we are waiting for that buy confirmation. I know gold is going to buy though. It might not buy to this high though. It might, but you know it's a game of probability. So all you have to do is just trade carefully. You understand? Apply proper risk management. It might buy to this high and continue to drop, or it might buy to this high and break it. You understand? So it's a game of probability. So all we have to do is just watch.
My good evening. How much?
3,500.
3,500. Not before.
Because I'm not say true now. Let them no price. Hey, people where even go rate for this go far for this rate, not give their hand.
Tinubu must go. Let me say 4,500. Tinubu must go.
Must go.
Soft one. So guys, as you can see, I'm actually at the hospital right now where my mom is being admitted. So let's look at that gold trade that I've been checking. So this is the gold trade that I've been looking out for since yesterday, right? So I knew the way gold was playing around this level. I knew it was just going to take people's money. Now a lot of people already bought from here because I checked Instagram and I saw that a lot of people bought from this level that I've also been anticipating buys from, right? So normally buyers were supposed to hold that level, but now they already broke that level from the 1 hour time frame. So you can see right here, this is the break that happened right there. Then you can see the 4 hour just wicked out, although the body of the candle is also closing below that 4 hour time frame. So let's just watch out and see. But for now, just stay away from gold. Stay away. You understand? Just stay away from gold. Do not trade. So BTC, we're gonna be looking out for sales on BTC. Jesus, BTC already played out. Oh my god. Damn, I would have taken this trade. BTC already played out. I would have taken this sell trade. I was looking at to sell BTC from this level. Damn, it's just to look for another entry, for a re-entry. So remember I said BTC was going to pull back, then later drop for that sell. That was what I said on BTC. So welcome. So that was what I said on BTC. I said BTC was going to sell. So as you can see, the sell is already playing out. Sorry about the noise, guys. If my audio is not really that clear, it's because where I am there's noise at my background here. So I'm sorry about the noise. So BTC, you can see we already had that shift right here on the 30 minutes time frame. So BTC, I was going to take this BTC trade. I missed it. Damn. I missed it. Crazy. Okay, no problem. That means I'll just have to look for another entry for BTC. So BTC, we are still selling. As for gold, stay away. GBP USD, nothing is happening. GBP USD is just there playing around. So gold, stay away from gold. Stay away. Let me remove this one. Stay away from gold. You can see we already broke that previous low. Stay away from gold. So that's it for now, guys. Stay away from gold. And please like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Just take a look at what gold is doing. Like gold is just too funny, bro. Like, see, if you be beginner, stay away from gold, though. Gold is just too funny. You see this move? You see this crazy move? Normally, gold was supposed to buy from this level, but see what it did. Liquidity grab, kicked everybody out. You understand? Kicked everybody out, and still go your way. You get? So on just this move alone, a lot of people might have lost their life savings. A lot of people might have lost their inheritance You understand? Gold is just crazy, man. BTC, I miss BTC. BTC is still selling. I missed it. I was supposed to enter from here, but I missed it. But it's cool though. We'll look for another entry. So that's it. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Stay away from gold. Gold is crazy.